Relax right there. There you go. You got it.
I have trouble with that.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, that moved well.
Yeah.
All right, let's get you on your stomach and get the rest of this. Mm-hmm. All right, for this part, we're going to drop those hands down to the side. Take a breath in. All the way out. Good. Great. All right, another one right there. Yeah. I think that was about ready to move.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. When I press down, that table's going to come down. It's going to make a little noise.
Okay.
So this one first, just nice and easy. Yeah. There we go. So we're going to go easy. But we're going to get it moving. Feel that opening that up? So what that's doing is that's going to open up that disc space. Take that pressure off that nerve. And let those joints move more freely. So that'll be good. One more. I know that's tight there. Good. Now you're going to feel and hear some tapping.
Okay.
Okay, it's going to help loosen up those muscles a little bit more. Some spots will be more tender than others, though. You feel some of those, huh? I bet. So all of these in here, they're trying to work overtime because this area isn't functioning quite like it's supposed to. And so when they work overtime like that, they get pretty tender. One more.